Good morning, everyone. Today is November 11th, 2025. We are looking at the Qs, and I have a question for you. Do you think you could have made money shorting this market here, here, and here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 qualified slingshot trades in a row. Now, we even have the indicator plot, the word zone, letting you know that the oscillators are in the proper zone to take a trade in the direction of the background color. Okay? We have 3 key rules. Here they are. Number 1, we only take trades in the direction of the background color. So if we've got a red background, we're buying puts. If we have a green background, we are buying calls. That's it. Okay, that's one of the 3 key rules. The second is we need to see our SlingShot Gap. And the beauty of this indicator is it plots the word zone, letting you know that a SlingShot Gap has indeed formed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right in a row here. The third key rule is that along with the SlingShot Gap, we want to see the price bar touching or kissing or bouncing off of one of these moving averages. Here, 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 and here. And that's it. We get in and we get out. We get in, we get out. We get in, we get out, we get in, we get out. Little repetitive, right? Well, that's how you become consistent. To use the baseball analogy, we are going for singles and doubles. In my opinion, traders that are always after the home runs are the ones that don't consistently put money in their trading accounts. And that's the whole goal of doing this. This is the world's greatest business. We get paid for being patient. In our case, we wait for these words to appear, red zone or green zone. Let's just scroll back and take a look at yesterday. SlingShot Gap, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 signals in a row. And what happened to each of those signals? Did they make money? Looks like it to me. It's a pretty simple approach. Anyone can learn how to do this. We are only interested in taking A+ high value slingshot trades. That's it. WallStreetEducation.com. I'll talk with you soon. Okay, I left you just a little while ago, and it was 11:45. You can see right now it's 1:28 Eastern. Let me get the clock out of the way here. When we signed off on the last video, the price was going sideways right here. Now you'll notice we had a SlingShot Gap right here to the upside, but this is not qualified. It's not qualified because it does not agree with the color of our background. The background is red, so our focus is only on short trades, but the SlingShot Gap is telling us the price is going up, so we do what? We sit on our hands. We sit on the sidelines. Now this right here gives me a heads up that the price is most likely to go up than it is to go down. Again, we get paid for being patient, so I wait for the price to move. I wait for the oscillators to cycle, and then lo and behold, right here we have a SlingShot Gap. It's our first green zone that appears, and it's bouncing off of the 50 moving average. This is a qualified trade, and you can see that it goes from about 619.20 or 30 up to 621.30. $2 move. Then we had 1, 2. We're actually in the third SlingShot Gap right this second. You can see how it came down. It's starting to go back up. Here are the 4 zone words plotting. Here are our 4 SlingShot Gaps. Now, someone asked, what are these trades worth? Well, let's look at it this way. Right here at approximately 12.29, we would have bought, hypothetically, everything has to be hypothetical these days. Hypothetically, we would have bought a call option, and I chose the 619 strike price. I put an arrow right at 12.29 where the SlingShot Gap qualified, confirmed, and the open price of this bar was 118. Let's call it 120, which means one contract requires a $120 investment. Let's talk about 10. It's a $1,200 investment, and from 12.29 until 13.02, which is 102, roughly 30 minutes, it goes from 120 to 260. It doubled in value in 30 minutes. Now, what did it do right here? Because that's the real strong, still doubled. Look, 241. So from 12.29 to 12.57, roughly 30 minutes, your $1,200 investment in 10 contracts was now worth $2,400. I don't know where you can make that kind of money in the trading world except with options. And having this simple 3-key rule setup, method, approach, whatever you want to call it, makes it incredibly easy. You'll notice how the background color changed from red to green right here. Again, we then put our focus on the long trades. And here are 3 right in a row. Now, I showed you the ones earlier. We've got 4 more trades. Are you still trading after taking 4 or 5 winning trades in a row? Probably not. Shut the computer off and wait for tomorrow's opening bell. I can't make this any easier. We teach you how to spot, qualify, manage, and exit these trades, these A+ high value trades. SlingShot trades are where it's at. You're in and out of the market a few times a day, and you're on with your life. You want to learn how to do this? wallstreeteducation.com, and I'll talk with you soon.